Hello, Chef here. So this happens all the time. A friend or a neighbor gives me a knife like this and asks me, can I get it sharp? I'm like, oh, okay, one of those knives. So let's take a look here. The paper test, first of all. Doesn't really want to cut the paper easily, but it is cutting. Let's get it sharper. Here we go. Diamond stone, awesome, fast. Clip. Clip is essential. Clip goes on the back of the knife like this, and now I've got the right angle. So we start with from the heel of the knife to the tip. We go like that, following the clip. That's enough. Repeat on the other side. Okay, now we're going to check it on the paper. Okay, I just wiped the knife off. Here we go. Yeah, now I can give this knife back to them, and it's definitely much sharper and it's much safer as well. So visit your sponsor, get the clip, fits most any knife, goes right on the back, stainless steel, plastic lined, doesn't hurt the knife. That's what you need. You need a sharpening stone. If you don't have one, you can order one there as well. And remember, all things butcher block. Oh yeah. So you're buying a Japanese knife online? Do your research. Professional chefs use our knives around the world. Check it out. Finish with a little bit of fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Wow. Hopefully, with proper care and maintenance, they will last you for decades. Wow. The perfect cooking surface. Or tips and facts with you and some hacks to help you live longer, live better, live a more fulfilled life, and avoid some of the stress and anxiety and depression that comes along with winter and cold weather and holidays, family gatherings. All these things, they bring a tremendous amount of stress, anxiety, and depression to so many people. So I'm quite sure you're taking multivitamins already. We got these multivites, and they've got all these different supplements. You got all kinds of good stuff going on in here. This particular multivitamin has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, E, niacin, vitamin B6, vitamin B12. It's missing some of the essential nutrients and vitamins. That's why you got to take other vitamins as well. Vitamins are good for you when taking in the right amounts. Zinc. Zinc helps fight these viruses, these airborne viruses and toxins, as well as you should be taking vitamin C or drinking orange juice every day. There's many, many others. I'm not going to get into all of them. However, right now I want to share with you something that has improved my anxiety and depression and overall health. What do we have here? Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect threads of saffron. Yes, you get it at your sponsor there. By the way, the price for the best saffron we've ever used, the price from the sponsor is like half of the price you'll see at Costco or on the internet, other websites, and everyone's trying to sell you powder, micro tiny particles. These are long threads. You just put a few threads in the glass like this. You should do this every couple of days, every day. It depends on your lifestyle and your budget. It's not cheap. See, I have a very minimal amount here. I've already brewed a nice black tea, and I'm putting a little bit in like this. Okay, you can see the colors change that quickly. My tea is kind of a black tea. It's kind of maybe brownish color, but the saffron is releasing a reddish yellow, rich scent, aroma, flavor. Yeah, and most importantly, it's going to improve my health. It also helps your eyesight. It does so many things. So to get the good stuff, check out your sponsor. They got it there in stock. I believe 1 ounce is only about $80 or so. I'm not certain on the price, but anyway, it's the real deal. This particular one comes from Spain. You can see the long threads. So as a professional chef, I get asked all the time, what is a safe cutting board? This is the one you've seen on TV. Professional chefs use them, and there's a good reason why. It's going to be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5 inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, every knife should be paired with a butcher block throughout the kitchen. Proper maintenance should be applied every month. The finished loaves.